This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Lorraine Burns. Bright and roomy, this ranch-style home is move-in ready. Located in the very popular West Hills neighborhood, this house ticks a lot of boxes: open floor plan, renovated kitchen and baths, and new privacy fence. Close to great schools, West Hills Park, and the Greenway, you won't find a more convenient location. Professional photos coming next week. Won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Lorraine Burns at 865-693-1111.